What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today, I know it's been a very long time since I posted a food or drink video. Yeah, it's been a long time. And now I'm doing one today. I just ordered this off of a Subway, and I haven't seen it in a commercial, but I want to try it in a video. Yeah. And hold on a second, I'll be back. Alright. So from Subway, I got the no bread bowl, spicy Italian. So it's got pepperoni, cenoura, and salami, and I got some vegetables with it. Lettuce, I believe spinach, green banana peppers, red onions, and for my sauce, chipotle, and for seasoning I put Parmesan on there. So as you can see here, you can get close here. Sounds real good. Alright. I will be giving a review and opinions on it. And with that said, let me mix this all up. Oh, sorry about that. Let me mix this so I can blend together. And let's try it out. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try this note. Here, so this is what it looks like. Here we go. Let me also try my pepperoni as well. This is really good. Really good. Subway makes the best foods on earth. Alright. So I'm gonna be giving my opinions on it. So I'm a no bread spicy Italian bowl. They did a good job on it, making it. I ordered on the app for delivery, and it came so quick. They have great foods at Subway. They have great selections of subs, bowls, salads, pizza, and more. And they also got vitamin water. I say blueberry pomegranate. Alright. And they did like a good job on it. And they did a good job on the textures on the bowl. Like that. Alright. And lastly, hold on a second. My review on it. Let me taste it one more time. I'm going. Alright, here we go. This is so good. So good. So with that, I'm Subway's no bread spicy Italian bowl. I gave it a perfect score. 5 out of 5. good shop by Subway on this food. But I might try more reviews like this here when I have some days off from school. Just like this one. Yeah, maybe more food and drink videos coming soon to my channel. I'm not doing any gaming videos for now, but I'll let you know when I will be doing it again. Alright. And with that said, that's gonna do it for my No Bloody Bowl Spicy Italian Bowl review. Thank you all for watching. If you tried this no blood bowl, like any kind of no blood bowl, like the spicy Italian, well, comment below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. I want to say thank you very much here for 8 subscribers. You guys are cool. Thank you from my heart. And there will be more videos to come, so keep your eyes open on that. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.